Hey everyone! Have you ever been on a trip with friends, and when the bill arrives, it turns into a chaotic scramble for cash or the perfect Venmo balance? Well, what if you were traveling somewhere where even splitting a coffee became an international affair? That's the case for Denmark, a beautiful country with a rich history and, as you might guess from the title, a unique payment system. So, the burning question is, does Denmark use Vipps? For those unfamiliar, Vipps is a popular mobile payment app used widely in Norway and Finland. It allows for quick and easy person-to-person transfers, revolutionizing the way people split bills and pay for everyday things. But Denmark has its own story when it comes to payments, and it's one with a surprising twist. The rise of mobile wallets, a global phenomenon. Let's take a step back. Mobile wallets are taking the world by storm. From Apple Pay to Google Pay, the convenience of tapping your phone to pay is undeniable. This shift has been especially pronounced in Europe, where countries like Sweden have become almost entirely cashless. Denmark, however, has a more nuanced relationship with mobile wallets. While they are certainly on the rise, Denmark boasts a robust debit card system. Many Danes carry Dankort, a national debit card scheme, which is widely accepted by businesses of all sizes. It's secure, efficient, and ingrained in Danish culture. So, while mobile wallets are gaining traction, Dankort remains the king of everyday transactions. Enter Mobile Pay, a Nordic merger shakes things up. Now, here's where things get interesting. In 2022, Vipps, the popular payment app from Norway and Finland, merged with Mobile Pay, a similar Danish app. This merger created a powerful Nordic payment giant called Vipps Mobile Pay. Their goal? To unify the payment landscape across Denmark, Norway, and Finland. The big news? As of March 2024, Danes actually transitioned to the new Vipps Mobile Pay app. This means that while Dankort remains the dominant player for everyday purchases, Vipps Mobile Pay is now a viable option for person-to-person payments within Denmark, and even more excitingly, for sending money across borders to Finland and Norway, all using just a phone number. So, can you use Vipps Mobile Pay as a tourist in Denmark? This is where things get a little tricky. While Vipps Mobile Pay is now available in Denmark, it's primarily geared towards residents with Danish phone numbers and bank accounts. As a tourist, signing up for the app might be difficult, if not impossible. However, fear not. Remember the trusty Dankort card? Most businesses in Denmark, especially tourist hotspots, will readily accept international credit cards. While Dankort might be the local favorite, Denmark caters well to visitors, making it easy to pay for your Viking adventures. The future of payments in Denmark, a blend of tradition and innovation. So, to answer our original question, yes, Denmark technically uses Vipps Mobile Pay, but it's still in its early stages for everyday transactions. Dankort holds the fort for now, but as mobile wallets continue to evolve, Vipps Mobile Pay might become a more prominent player in the future. Denmark's payment system is a fascinating example of how tradition and innovation can coexist. While embracing new technologies like Vipps Mobile Pay, Danes also hold onto the reliability and convenience of Dankort. This blend ensures a smooth and secure payment experience for both residents and visitors alike. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.